Welcome to the world of raised bed vegetable gardening. For many years, I've cultivated my vegetables almost exclusively in raised beds. Initially, it was out of necessity due to the lack of sunlight in my previous garden. Over time, I've learned valuable lessons, especially when it comes to setting up raised beds. In this detailed guide, I'll share the top 7 mistakes to avoid when establishing your raised bed garden, ensuring you start off on the right foot for a fruitful growing season. 1. Incorrect bed dimensions. One of the common errors gardeners often encounter is underestimating the dimensions of their raised beds, a crucial factor that influences accessibility and productivity. A key consideration in bed sizing is my personal preference for dimensions of 4 feet in width by 8 feet in length. This specific size offers multiple benefits. It facilitates convenient access from all sides of the bed, reducing the necessity for extensive walking around the perimeter. Furthermore, utilizing standard 8-foot lumber for construction not only streamlines the building process, but also contributes to cost-effectiveness and resource conservation. 2. Inadequate bed depth. The depth of your raised bed plays a pivotal role in nurturing healthy plant roots and ensuring optimal productivity in your garden. It's essential to tailor the depth to your specific requirements and the existing soil conditions. Ideally, aim for a depth ranging from 6 to 12 inches to provide ample space for root development and nutrient absorption. However, if you're contending with challenges such as compacted soil or the presence of pests like gophers, it's advisable to construct taller beds. By increasing the height of your raised beds, you not only facilitate deeper root penetration, but also create a deterrent against unwanted intruders. This added depth not only fosters better plant growth, but also enhances the overall resilience of your garden ecosystem. 3. Choosing the wrong material. Choosing the appropriate material for your raised beds is crucial to ensure their durability and environmental friendliness over time. Among the available options, such as wood, fabric, and metal, each possesses distinct advantages and disadvantages. It is advisable to steer clear of treated or compressed lumber due to potential health risks associated with the chemicals used in their treatment process. Instead, prioritize untreated wood varieties like Douglas fir, cedar, or redwood. These natural wood options offer a good balance between affordability and resilience, providing a sturdy foundation for your raised beds while minimizing negative impacts on both human health and the environment. By selecting the right material, you can create raised beds that not only withstand the test of time, but also contribute positively to your gardening experience and the ecosystem as a whole. 4. Improper soil composition. The composition of soil within your raised beds significantly impacts the health and productivity of your plants. Garden soil, while seemingly convenient, presents challenges as it compacts over time, impeding root growth and inhibiting plant development. To circumvent these issues, prioritize the use of high-quality potting mixes or specialized raised bed blends. These formulations offer superior drainage and aeration, creating an ideal environment for root proliferation and nutrient uptake. Additionally, incorporating compost sourced from local resources presents a sustainable approach to soil enrichment. Compost not only adds essential nutrients, but also enhances soil structure, fostering microbial activity and promoting overall soil health. By selecting the right soil components for your raised beds, you lay the foundation for thriving plant growth and bountiful harvests. 5. Neglecting soil refreshment. As seasons pass and gardening activities take their toll, the soil within raised beds undergoes a gradual transformation. Due to natural settling and the extraction of nutrients by plants, the once fluffy soil begins to compact and lose its fertility. To combat this inevitable process and ensure continued productivity, It's crucial to regularly replenish the soil within your raised beds. By topping up the beds with fresh compost or a nutrient-rich potting mix, you not only infuse essential nutrients back into the soil, but also rejuvenate its structure. This replenishment supports microbial activity, fostering a thriving ecosystem beneath the surface. As a result, plants are provided with an optimal growing environment, promoting healthy growth and abundant yields season after season. 6. Skipping mulching. Mulching plays a pivotal role in transforming the gardening landscape, offering multifaceted benefits such as weed suppression, moisture conservation, and regulation of soil temperature. Whether you choose organic materials like straw or pine needles, or opt for synthetic options, the key lies in applying a generous layer of mulch. This thick covering acts as a barrier against weed growth, significantly reducing the need for tedious weeding tasks while preserving soil moisture levels by minimizing evaporation. Additionally, mulch serves as a natural insulator, regulating soil temperatures and creating a conducive environment for plant roots. However, it's crucial to apply mulch around plantings, rather than directly on top, to prevent nitrogen depletion and promote efficient decomposition. By incorporating mulching into your gardening routine, you can enhance plant health, conserve water, and foster optimal growing conditions for a thriving garden ecosystem. 7. Ignoring winter protection. In regions with cold climates, it's crucial not to underestimate the significance of winterizing your raised beds. Taking proactive measures such as mulching, cover cropping, or implementing protective structures can have profound effects on the health and productivity of your garden. Mulching serves as a protective barrier, shielding the soil from erosion caused by harsh winter conditions, while also conserving moisture and regulating soil temperature. Additionally, cover crops like winter rye or crimson clover play a vital role in preserving soil integrity and fertility throughout the winter months. As these cover crops decompose, they enrich the soil with valuable organic matter, enhancing its overall health and nutrient content. Moreover, cover crops act as a natural blanket, safeguarding the soil from frost damage and promoting microbial activity. By winterizing your raised beds, you not only mitigate the risk of soil erosion, but also extend the growing season and set the stage for bountiful harvests in the coming year. By avoiding these 7 common mistakes, you can establish a thriving raised bed garden that yields bountiful harvests year after year. Remember to prioritize proper planning, soil preparation, and ongoing maintenance to maximize your garden's potential. With diligence and care, your raised bed garden will flourish and provide fresh, nutritious produce for years to come. If you enjoyed this, feel free to share it and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Kindly give us a follow, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more insightful content like this.